Our content is made for information and entertainment purposes only. This is not financial advice, nor are we financial advisors, and we'll never tell you what to do with your life or money. Please do your own research before trading or in any type of investing. YFT Network does not work for nor in part of any existing business or privately owned organizations. If you would like to promote your business with our platform, please check our website at yftnetwork.com. All right, shalom, back at it. So let's talk about some psychology real quick, because a lot of people that we that come into the market, I myself, you know what I'm saying, coming in, you got to understand, you got to control your animal that's inside of you. You know what I'm saying? Fortunately for me, I didn't lose that much money coming into the market, because I was somewhat of like a little gambler, you know what I'm saying, in the casino before I woke up to the truth. So in gambling, you have to really be disciplined and understand how to control your money, and or you're gonna lose it all. You know what I'm saying, basically. So I mean, you have to control your animal. You have to control your spirit. You can't be greedy. You know what I'm saying? They all tell you this. You know what I'm saying? Pigs get slaughtered. You know what I'm saying? You want to be a pig, you're going to get slaughtered. So we're going to go ahead and look at this Wall Street cheat sheet. Now, they'll come to you and tell you, oh, this is, you know what I'm saying, this is just how every cycle happens. No, every cycle doesn't happen like this. Most cycles do happen like this. Because when you're looking at this chart right here to the left right here, you're looking at a certain pattern that played out in this specific time. Now, all they're trying to do is tell you, all right, boom, these are the stages of just the pattern isn't always going to look like this. You know what I'm saying? But these are the stages where, you know what I'm saying, these levels can get to on certain stocks or a certain index playing out over time. You know what I'm saying? So that's just to explain the Wall Street cheat sheet. And the reason why a lot of these charts make the patterns that they do is because everybody, you got to understand, in a market, it's just like any other market. If I'm going to the grocery store, or if I'm going out to the what you call it? If I'm going out to the swap meet, you know what I'm saying, or the flea market, or, you know what I'm saying, you just got people buying and selling. You know what I mean? But there's a lot of emotion in that, and people don't understand that. You know what I mean? This is why people get in arguments when they go to the store with the clerk or with whoever's in charge or whatever. There's a lot of emotions when it comes to money, man. And it's always been like that. So when it comes to trading, you got people coming in over anxious, ready to go, putting all their money in. You got some people that are smart with their money. You got people that are just dumb, that don't know when to buy or sell. Not saying that you're dumb if you don't know when to buy or sell. It's something you have to learn over time. So we're just going to go over this cheat sheet, and it shows you the levels of basically a cycle. So if you're watching this video, if you watch the videos from the beginning of this channel, you know what I mean, you can understand how the waves are formed and how we teach it. So basically, you can see we have this big wave right here. We came in. And you got to understand, once price starts to go up and people start getting happy when there's hope, this whole stage right here is called hope. Because now people believe, all right, we're getting new highs, we're getting back to, you know what I mean, back to respectable levels. So all this right here, this green right here, all this is euphoric. So when buying and selling, this is why it's important to get in before the trend turns and understanding where your best levels to buy at. Because this entire point right here, this entire green point where it says optimism, belief, thrill, euphoria, all that right there is your Johnny come latelys. All the people that come late that talk down the stock or talk down crypto or Bitcoin or whatever it may be, all those people, they come late and they buy up all this right here. And then what happens? The price crashes. You know what I'm saying? And it recovers a little bit, they get happy again, and then they end up selling somewhere down here lower than what they bought it for. You know what I'm saying? So this is why once we have that initial crash in a wave, just because you see it going up and down a little bit doesn't mean we're going back to new highs. You got to understand when the wave is finished, the wave is finished. You know what I'm saying? So this crypto, this psychology of a market helps us see that. You know what I'm saying? So in the crypto market right here, we can see here, let me just make it a little bit bigger. Boom, right here. So this is us going to 2018. This is the entire crypto market. This is NASDAQ with the .com bubble back in 2000 going right now to today's date. And you can see the euphoria that happened with the NASDAQ going into 2020. It happened here again, but it happened here. I mean, this right here is just a repeat of this entire thing right here. But you can see here, and it happens in crypto too. It happens in most of the charts. I mean, not every chart is going to have a perfect wave like how these waves look. But for the most part, these are where the waves are going to look in the charts. So you got to know, once the price crashes, once the people that, you know what I mean, the ones that bought around here, these are all those people that bought around here are the people selling right here. You know what I'm saying? So you never want to be the people buying here. You want to be the people buying down here. Now, this is not financial advice. We're not financial advisors. But we're just showing you how this all makes sense. So, and this entire time right here, the market is contracting. So contraction starts, you know what I'm saying, right from the peak all the way down to the bottom. So you get this bottom right here, which lets you know, like, hey, we're done. You know what I'm saying? It's time to start moving again. So you can see in the crypto market here and in the NASDAQ, I mean, it happened again. It happened back in 2000 after our .com bubble in 2000. We come back down. We have what? We have that rally, that disbelief, that we have the depression. Then we have that rally that came back down. But then what happens? It's a sucker's rally, and then we bring it, and then we get caught right back down. So we came in, made our bottom, just like how we did in the crypto space. Came in, make a bottom, came back up, starting to ride back down. This is the disbelief. This is the disbelief stage. Now, this the hope and recovery is basically what's happening over here. People right now that are really looking at this and like, yo, is the Wall Street cheat sheet, is it correct? You know what I mean? We're probably around this range right here. You know what I mean? And this is not necessarily saying you have to go off what the past happened. You can never go off what's happening in the past. You know what I mean? That's a dumb idea. You can only go backwards to understand, you know what I mean, how things work. Because the only reason the prices go up and down in between time is because people are buying and selling all over the place. Everybody doesn't have the same mind. So this is why I hearken on looking at the trends and parallel channels and all that stuff. Because if you see that, you can see the broad scope of the market. You know what I'm saying? So you can Google this. This is the Wall Street cheat sheet. I'll even post this picture right here with it so you guys can see it. That'll be on the Patreon. I'm gonna post it right after the video. So just stay updated. Stay updated. You know what I mean? We got more videos coming. Remember, if you got any questions, anything, just hit us up. Let us know. And we're gonna keep rocking, man. See what's going on in this crypto market. We're getting real excited. I believe going into 2021, 2022, just the rest of this year, man, it's gonna be a beautiful time. And you know what I mean, thank you for everyone being on board. All glory to the God of Abraham, Isaac, and Jacob. Shalom.